Hi and welcome back to Just Cook. I hope you're all keeping well and that you've all been enjoying the recipes that we've been posting. We're certainly getting a lot of great feedback and a lot of visitors to our website who seem to be enjoying a lot of the recipes, the videos that we've posted. So I've got another one for you today. This is a very simple but very fun and delicious dessert or snack you can do with the kids. It's a fondue. So we don't have to have a fondue set for this. If you have, that's great. But if you don't worry about that. But this is a great fun to share with the kids and get them to make it, but as well as eating it. We're going to have ours this afternoon. I've got 5 in the house. So we play games, maybe some cards or something, Uno, and have the fondue there, and they can just dip and eat as they want. So it takes about 10 minutes to make. It's very, very simple, very quick. Hope you enjoy it. Let's do it. So for the fondue, what we've got here is, obviously we've got a selection of our fruit and fancies that we're going to be dipping in, and it's pretty much what you would expect. But what you can do is, it doesn't have to be strawberries, raspberries, the expensive stuff if you can't do that for your budget. I've got some tin fruit, so I've got some tin pineapple on here, which goes nice. I've got some banana, I've got some strawberries. And over here I've got some, the kids always have these in the cupboard, they're the little mini bites. I've got flapjacks and some brownie, which go nicely if they want to dip that. And of course we've got marshmallows, the kids' favourite, and that's what they like on there. So that's what we've got for that. And as you can see, I've just got it on a plate. I've got this bowl here, that's going to be where the fondue goes in. And really the only thing once you've got that prepped is to make the fondue and then eat it. What I suppose is important here is that, you know, you prep everything fresh. The chocolate fondue, the dip, once you've melted it and warmed it and it's in the bowl, you need to do that when you're going to eat it, because as it cools down it will get thicker. But one of the things you can do is you can pop it back in the microwave for 10-15 seconds just to warm it again and loosen it up again. And I'm going to show you this as a quick recipe. There's going to be no double boilers now. We're going to do this in the microwave. So I've got chocolate here. As you can see, I've got bars of chocolate. I've got mainly dark chocolate, so I've done 300 grams of dark chocolate, it's like a couple of bars, and I've done 100 grams of milk chocolate. We've got some double cream, which I've got here 150 mils, plus in there is 75 mils of milk, and I'm just going to pour that straight into there. I'm going to cling film it, which is important, and then for about 2 minutes microwave it. Keep the cling film on, and then what I would suggest is twice through that, so I say after about 45 seconds, take it out, lift the cling film off, give it a stir, mix it, put it back in, do it again, after 30 seconds again, stop it, stir it, and then put it back in and take it out after 2 minutes. It should be melted. What's important is just don't put it in for 2 minutes and let it go in one go. You need to stir it a couple of times, but it will come out just as good as doing it on a double boiler. So I'm going to get this melted and show you. Okay, so that's had 2 minutes in the microwave. There's still a little bit of melting to do. I stopped it twice just to give it a stir, just to make sure it started to combine. But you can see it's nice and glossy. Most of the lumps now are just out of that. I'm just going to stir it, just keep it moving. But you can see that's really rich. It looks really yummy. Now, you know, if you're not so keen on dark chocolate, you can use more milk. You need I'll put 400 grams of chocolate. You can mix it half and half. Make sure you've got fairly decent quality chocolate, because it just makes it better. The chocolate is a big part of this. But that's it done. And you can just, as I say, we're going to put that in a dish. Let me just finish stirring this, and then I'll put it in and we'll have a look at it. Okay, so there we have it. We've got the chocolate all melted, stirred fondue in the bowl. I've got some large sticks, or you can use cocktail sticks. We use the larger ones just because we put it in the centre of the table and it's easier to reach all the items. And so just a little dip in there like that, and that looks absolutely scrummy. Yep, that's very nice. So, as I say, use milk chocolate if you like more milk chocolate. Put a bit more cream in it, just to lighten it up. Kids will love this, they'll love making it, and they'll certainly love eating it. It's great fun, very easy to do. And for the lockdown, just to break the day up and give them a bit of fun with their food. It's great. Enjoy, have fun making it.